Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Bumble. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Bumble. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. To change your age on Bumble, you must go to the Bumble support page and provide valid identification. But if you want to change the age range of the people you see on Bumble, follow these steps. On the top right corner of the home page, tap the switch. Here, drag the indicators to change the age range. Choose the age range that you are looking for. And tap Apply. And that's how you change your age on Bumble. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.